What's the meaning of charitably? Charitably. Charitably.
Charitably. Charitably. Charitably is an adverb that describes the act of being kind, generous, and helpful towards others, especially those in need. When someone behaves charitably, they are demonstrating a willingness to help others and support those less fortunate than themselves. This can involve donating time, money, or resources to charitable causes, volunteering for good causes, or just showing kindness and compassion to those around them. Overall, acting charitably is a positive and selfless way to make a difference in the world and improve the lives of those who are struggling.